engines up on the startup stand. This one will be going to Nick in Massachusetts, and it's going into a 65 VW Bug. This one is our 2387 package, starting with our aluminum engine case, our empty crank, the empty rods. We're running the scat lifters. This one I believe has a Engel 130. Let me double check that. Yes, Engel 130 with a 125. It's got the empty L7 cylinder heads, so they're 4437. And we're running right around 8.5 to 1 compression on this thing. 48 IDFs, the Bernie Bergman Porsche Shroud, Magnus Spark distributor. We have our custom wires that we make here, starting with like a Taylor Pro or sometimes a CB, but these ones are, I believe, are the Taylor Pros because they're red, and then we put the 90-degree boots on them. We are running the Red Horse stainless braided hoses with the polished fittings and red end caps there. And we have the MST valve covers, and of course our A1 Sidewinder exhaust. Right now it just has our extraction system on it, but it's going to get the little dual tip outlet. So have that right here. And when we take it off, we'll put this there. So we're going to go ahead and fire this up. It's already been dialed in. I'm just going to fire it up so you guys can hear it. Then we're going to go ahead and drain the fluids and get this shipped out to them. Nick, thank you for being patient, waiting for it. We've had a lot of Porsche Shroud motors, as you can see here. We've done quite a bit of them in the last few months, so we've overloaded Bernie Bergman with getting shrouds from him, and the same thing with our painter, our polisher, our powder coater. I mean, we've been sending them stuff, the last few months, so they've been overloaded, and we appreciate, Tiger as well, getting the exhaust systems when he can to us. We appreciate that. Nick, thank you for your patience. I'm sure you're gonna love this. Thanks for picking us to build your motor, and keep us updated. Thanks, Nick.